So today I'm going to show you how I make heart-shaped ornaments using remnant fabric. It's a really fast project. It would probably only take you less than 10 minutes to finish. Let's get started. So I'm going to take some of this remnant fabric that I have right here. Sometimes I like to add something to the front of the heart, and this is going to be for a friend of mine who I made a bear for them for their wedding anniversary, and it's going to have their name and the date that they got married. Okay, here are the pieces. So I used one red with white and one white with red. Now I have my plastic template and I'm just going to use that. Okay, so I'm just going to take a pencil. I'm going to make sure that the date is centered. I'm just going to trace around. Once you have them all traced, just cut them out. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put them together like this. I'm going to take it over to my sewing machine. I'm going to sew in about 1/4 inch, leaving a gap so that I can stuff it all the way till I get to the very top. When I get to the top, I'm going to put in a little loop of ribbon, so this can be a hanging ornament. Then I'll continue to stitch all the way around. Project's done. So I sewed, stuffed the heart. I'm going to take my peeking shears and just cut. You want to make sure you're not cutting your stitches. All right, here it is, all done. Super cute, super fast. I hope you liked my video. If you did, please hit the like button. And if you want to see more of my videos, hit the subscribe button. Let me know in the comments below any other projects that you'd like to see me try on my channel.